The first step to creating your self-care menu is to reflect on what self-care actually means to you. What activities help you feel rested? What activities energize you? What feels nourishing and rejuvenating? Use this space to categorize your favorite self-care rituals and wellness-related activities so that you can easily choose an activity based on your current needs and how much time you want to dedicate to those needs on any given day. You'll see on the self-care menu, we've categorized it into mind, body, and soul, and 10 minutes or less, 30 minutes or less, and 60 minutes or over. 10 minutes or less. These are quick and simple activities that can be done anywhere, anytime, whether you're at home, at work, or somewhere in between. These are so important to have in your back pocket because we often use the excuse of, I don't have time, but when they are short and sweet rituals, you have a greater chance of slotting them into your day. 30 minutes or less. These activities require a little more time investment and may need to be pre-planned and scheduled into your day. Some of these activities can be done during your lunch break or form part of your morning or evening ritual. 60 minutes or more. These activities require the most amount of time investment and generally need to be pre-planned and scheduled into your week. There will always be activities that fall into all three categories, mind, body, and soul, but to avoid duplication, think about how each ritual makes you feel and what part of your well-being it contributes to the most. Completing this exercise is a great way to reflect on what self-care means to you. It can help you feel more confident about integrating self-care activities into your daily life. This feature goes hand in hand with the daily self-care planner, which is located on your weekly spread. The self-care menu serves as a reference point that helps alleviate decision fatigue when you're unsure of the best way to reset your mind and body in the 10 minutes you have between meetings. Your past self has already done the hard work for you, so you can trust that it's all relevant to your needs. Ultimately, it's all about simplifying self-care, keeping it realistic and accessible, and taking the guesswork out of it.